Today, we'll be guiding you through the process of scheduling an appointment through CPP Connect. To start, go to CPP Connect. You can access the site through the LRC's homepage. Once you reach CPP Connect, click on the login button and you will sign in with your Bronco username and password. Afterwards, you will reach your student portal. For self-scheduling appointments, you will select the button at the top right that says Get Assistance. Here, you will select the type of appointment you would like to schedule. For the Learning Resource Center, you will select Tutoring. You will notice that there are two service categories under the name Learning Resource Center. For now, we will select Subject Tutoring. If you are interested in scheduling for the Writing Center, skip to this timestamp. Because this is an online tutoring appointment, you will select LRC Online Tutoring as the service. Then, you will select Learning Resource Center Tutoring as a location. Next, select the course that you are enrolled in and are requesting assistance with. If a course you are enrolled in is not available, we may not have a tutor available to assist with that course for the current semester. After selecting the course, you will have the option of picking a specific tutor. If you have no preference, leave that field blank and move on to the next section. Here, available times are broken into morning and afternoon sections. After selecting either general option, you will select the 30-minute time slot that works best for you. On the next page, you will see your appointment details. Here, review that your appointment is correct, particularly which location it is, what course or service it is for, and when the appointment will take place. If you would like to add any comments regarding what you want to review with your tutor, you have the option. After all has been completed, confirm your appointment and you will receive a confirmation email with the appointment details and instructions. In order to schedule an appointment with the Writing Center, you will select the Writing Center in the service category. If this writing is for a specific course, you will select Tutoring as the service. Professional writing is also available if you want a non-course-based piece of writing reviewed. Select Writing Center as a location and you will then have the option of picking a specific tutor. The general availability is displayed in morning and afternoon sections. Clicking on either section displays specific 30-minute time slots. After selecting the time and day of your choosing, review the details of your appointment and specify the class or paper in the comment box at the bottom. Finally, confirm your appointment and you will receive a confirmation email with the appointment details and instructions.